Okay.
So I'll try you on and you'll tell me if it's okay.
No.
With this side. Like that.
You put the knot here.
But why there is a knot here?
Where you put it?
No, you put, this one was there before. Okay. So I take it like that. Then I just do one turn. Yes.
Stay in your place.
Okay?
Yeah.
Then I let some material. After I do one more turn, if I don't like that,
Yes.
then after I take this part and I do like 7, 4 only.
Yes. No, it should come out. This one should come out. It should be like this. This thing should come out.
Okay.
1,
1, 2, 2,
3, and 4.
okay. Okay. It should come like that,
Little more patience should needed for these things.
Okay, wait, I'll stop and I'll put another movie because